Hey, welcome to LinkedIn Mastery Program. This particular program is absolutely designed for people like you, no matter if you are someone who is looking out for a career growth and looking out for global opportunity in terms of corporate jobs. We will learn how exactly you can use LinkedIn. If you are a founder or entrepreneur looking out to go out and network with potential collaborators, potential partners, co-founders, and of course potential investors, this program is for you. If you are someone, a marketing or a sales representative looking out to generate international leads, generate high quality inquiries, this program is for you. Trust me, this program is going to be a step-by-step process how exactly you can use LinkedIn as a business tool for your career and business purposes, right? Let me introduce myself. My name is Alok Kumar Bhartia, global digital marketing consultant and coach with over 15 years of experience working as a digital marketing consultant and coach with multinational organizations such as Wipro, Vodafone, Government of India and whatnot. Over last 5 years, I have created a following and subscriber base of 100,000 subscribers on YouTube and up to 12,000 followers on LinkedIn. So whatever comes in this entire program comes out of my real-time experience. Me and my team has ensured that whatever tactics I use to serve our client, the same to same juice will be served to you that will skyrocket your career and business journey flawlessly. The good news about this program, it's equipped with AI-powered tricks that will help you to completely scale, streamline, optimize, and get the most from your LinkedIn profile that will work as a powerhouse and a business tool for your organization. We'll be using multiple AI use cases, how you can merge the power of AI and LinkedIn to generate the results that you desire in your career and business. In this entire program, I'll be beginning with the program how exactly you can create a very strong social profile on LinkedIn that will help you to gain tremendous visibility so that you show up in front of the people who are potentially your prospects and recruiters. How exactly you can scale your LinkedIn profile in such a way that it goes viral, right? How exactly you can create content from optimizing the profile to creating content. How exactly you can use free organic methods to crack opportunities. No matter if you are a freelancer, agency owner, service provider, as an entrepreneur or working as a marketing and sales representative, no matter if you're a founder looking out to generate international leads and inquiries using paid mechanisms also. This complete program is a step-by-step process where we'll be learning via video tutorials, and each and every tutorial will have a ready reckoner, a checklist that will help you to optimize your profile in such a way that it becomes so convenient, easy for you to implement it your end. Secondly, you will be getting absolute standard operation process. You can take the entire blueprint and implement in your department that will completely streamline your lead generation and inquiry generating process. So what are you still waiting for? Let's get started. Absolutely, because trust me, your decision to opt for the LinkedIn Mastery Program is going to be the best decision of your career and business growth. Thank you so much. See you in our next chapter.